Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. The appearance of the 2025 Toyota Voxy is sleek and practical, with a focus on family comfort and use. The Voxy offers a roomy and light cabin while retaining the iconic boxy MPV design. Large, strong front grille that exudes confidence and modernity. Modern, sharp LED headlights with a distinctive style. An intriguing grille design and a new, robust front bumper. An innovative headlamp design. Easy access to and from the cabin is provided by the dual sliding doors with the kick sensor function. It is convenient to load products when the rear door is electrically openable power backdoor using a side button. A brand new outer mirror with heating capabilities. A new kick sensor and a new dual sliding door. The new dashing power backdoor has a button on the side. Brand new, gorgeous 17-inch disc wheel. A stylish new combination lamp for the back. It measures 4,695 mm in length, 1,730 mm in width, 1,855 mm in height, 2,850 mm in wheelbase, and 150 mm in ground clearance. The center console and dashboard are made to make it simple to reach the car's functions, fostering an atmosphere that is driver-focused. A brand new, luxurious cabin. Vehicle information is simply and plainly displayed on a digital instrument panel. The new 7-inch mid-TFT LCD has a head-up display. Numerous car functions, including as entertainment, navigation, and settings, are controlled by a sizable touchscreen. 9-inch capacitive design touchscreen for the new headnet, 6 useful USB ports. New auto brake hold button ABH and electric parking brake EPB. An illuminated design and remote control are features of the new 11.6-inch roof rear seat entertainment system. Climate control system with dual zones of automated air conditioning. A brand new, pleasant air purifier. A brand new sophisticated wireless charger. A brand new, handy panoramic view monitor. With a new TSS button, the steering switch is seamless. The interior of Voxy is large and airy, and the seats may be arranged to suit different purposes. All passengers will be comfortable thanks to the clever interior design that maximizes head and legroom. Adjustable seating arrangements. Electrically adjustable chairs that are comfortable. The Toyota Voxy 2025 has a 16-valve DOHC, 4-cylinder inline engine. Inline 4-cylinder, 16-valve DOHC engine. 1,986cc dynamic force M2 FKS. Generates around 170 PS of electricity at 6,600 revolutions per minute. At 4,900 revolutions per minute, the maximum torque was approximately 20.6 kgm, utilizing a CVT continuously variable transmission that is quick and smooth. Utilizing a system with front-wheel drive FWD. This engine is renowned for its smooth operation and fuel efficiency, making it appropriate for daily family usage. The dynamic force engine technology from Toyota offers the best possible balance of economy and power.